Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear student and other viewers. How are you? How are you spending your time in your house? I hope you are fine in your house and spending a vast of lot of time you have got from COVID-19. But you have to study more in your house for your betterment. Today, I am before you standing for taking another class. This is Imran Hossain, Assistant Teacher, English, Shere Bangla Girls High School, Rajbari. Today, I am going to take another class for your betterment. At the last class, I discussed about transformation of sentence. Today, I will also about transformation sentence. This is the part 4. And today we will learn about imperative to assertive sentence. Okay, my dear student, you have taken your notebook and pen and you are ready to study with me. I hope all things important matter from this class. Okay, let's start our today's class. Okay, imperative to assertive. First of all, you have to know about imperative sentence. I hope you know about imperative sentence. Then I am helping about this matter. Imperative sentence is a such type of sentence which express order, suggestion and request, and such type of sentence start with the main verb and there are also an object. Okay, and the subject of that sentence you must be omitted from this sentence. Okay, at first we start about rule 1. If you see the main verb and object, that time you have to change the imperative sentence to assertive sentence. The rule must be followed: subject plus should plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, my dear student, for example, I would like to share an example with you. Let's see the example. Do the word. Now you have to do this sentence into assertive sentence. Okay, do the word. Here is the sentence. It is an imperative sentence. You have to convert to assertive sentence. You have to follow this rule. You have to use subject. You know that imperative sentence subject must be you. What? You. Okay, and you have to use this you into assertive sentence. Okay, you should do the work. Okay, my dear student, have you understood about this sentence? I hope you have understood this sentence and about this rule. Okay, now start another rules. Rules 2. If you see some word like that in the imperative sentence, that is please or kindly, you have to follow these rules. When you will see such type of word please, kindly in the imperative sentence, that time you have to use these rules. Okay, here is the rules. You are requested plus 2 plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, let's enjoy an example. Please open the door. This is also an imperative sentence, and you have to see this word please, and you have to use this rule for converting this sentence into assertive sentence. Okay, you are requested to verb 1, that means open the door. Have you understood, my dear students? I hope you have enjoyed and understood these rules, and if you follow these rules, you can see lot of examples in your books, and you can convert this type of sentence following this rule. Okay, now we learn about another sentence or another rules. Okay, you know about this word do not or don't. Okay, when you will see in the imperative sentence do not or don't, you have to use this structure for converting the sentence. That is, you should not plus rest part of that sentence. Okay, for example, I would like to share a sentence, don't run in the sun. Okay, here you can see the word don't, and you have to follow these rules for converting this sentence into assertive sentence. Okay, you have to use, that is, you should not run in the sun. My dear student, have you understood this rule? When you will see don't, you have to use not, and this rule is like that before rules. Okay, now we will learn about another sentence or rules. This is the rules for never. When you will see this word never into the imperative sentence, you have to follow the following rules for diverting the sentence into assertive sentence. Okay, the rules is that you should never plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, my dear student, let's see an example with these rules, and we try to understand this sentence according to the rules. Okay, never tell a lie. This is the common and essential sentence for all the students, that is, never tell a lie, and you have to convert this sentence into assertive sentence, and you can see the word that is never, and you have to follow this rule. Just you have to use the word you should and the word lie. Okay, I should never tell a lie. Here just I have taken this two word, that is you should, and the remaining word or remaining part of the sentence is the same like that. Okay, my dear student, I hope you have enjoyed and understood the rules for very better, and I would like to share with you another rules, that is rules 5. Let us or let's. Let us especially means when you want to do something with the other student or other peoples, that time you have to use the word let us. Okay, and this is the short form of let us, that is let's. It means let's. Okay, my dear student, I hope you have understood about let us or let's. If the imperative sentence is started with the word let us and let's, you have to follow the following rules to convert into the assertive sentence. Okay, my dear student. Let enjoy the sentence. Okay, subject must become we, auxiliary verb shall, should, and verb 1 plus object. Okay, my dear student, now let's understand the sentence with an example. Let us make a garden. Imagine you are a student of class 9 or 10 or class 8 maybe, and you want to make a garden in your school. That time you have to take the other student for the help of your making the garden. Okay, like that, let's make a garden. Here you have to use, that is we should make a garden. Have you understood, my dear student? We should make a garden, and just I have written new two word, that is let us, we should. Let us, we should, and the remaining part of that sentence is same to same. I hope you have enjoyed and understood this type of sentence according to the rules. Okay, my dear student, now we will learn about rule 6. This is the last one of the rules of imperative to assertive sentence, and this rule must be important. Let plus noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun. If you see that the sentence started with let and there is also another noun and or another pronoun, what time, what will you do at this moment? You have to follow in this moment the following rules. Okay, my dear student, rules is that subject plus might plus verb 1 plus object. Okay, can you see and understand, my dear student? When you will see such type of word or sentence in the imperative sentence, you have to follow this rule to convert the sentence into a certain sentence. Imagine you are playing football with your friend. and okay, my dear student, let's try to understand the following sentence, that is, let him play football. And if you want to convert this sentence into assertive sentence, that time you have to use subject. Here you can see him, and you have to make the word him into subjective mood. Okay, that is he. And you have to use auxiliary verb might. He might play football. He might play football. Can you understand my word or my opinion about the rules of imperative to assertive sentence? I hope you have enjoyed the rules and you have learned about the some important matter or important rules about imperative to assertive sentence. If you practice such type of sentence in your house in this crucial time, and you can see lot of sentences about this, and if you make the sentences into assertive sentence, you can do better in your exam. Okay, homework. Okay, here is 5 sentence for you all the student. That is, question number 1 is open the door. 2, kindly give me a glass of water. 3, don't beat the boy. 4, never go to that place. 5, let's go to school. And here is 5 sentences as homework for you all. And if you want to do the rules or example quickly, and you have to follow the rules what I discussed in this class. Okay, my dear student, I hope you have enjoyed the rules very betterly, and I hope you are learning more and more things from this platform, that is Raspberry Online School. It is working as a pioneer and playing a better roles in the sphere of education. And you are not in the school, you are not going to school, and you have to stay in your house, but you have stopped your study and you are thinking about your study. But Raspberry Online School are trying to make you understand all the things which is more important and more important for the examination, and you are learning from this platform. And before finishing the class, I would like to share about one thing, that is COVID-19 coronavirus. It is dangerous and fatal disease for all the people all over the world. And one suggestion for you all, I am giving suggestion in every classes taken by me, and I am also suggesting you about one thing, that is you have to wash your hands, you have to use your mask when you will go to out of your house, and you have to keep distance from others, and overall you pray to Allah for the betterment of the universe, so that we can make a better and good world, and we can live with the other people. And we have lost a lot of people from this world. We mourn for the people and for the heart of the departed heart. Okay, thank you very much.